For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The AIMIKE round brush for blowout has seriously upgraded my hair routine. If you've ever struggled with frizz, dull ends, or getting that salon-style smoothness after blow drying, this brush is worth checking out. I've been using it regularly over the past month, and it genuinely cuts down my drying time while giving me a soft, shiny finish, even without heat protectant spray some days. The nano thermal ceramic ionic technology is more than just a fancy phrase. As someone who has taken advanced hair styling workshops, I can say that ceramic and ionic tools really help minimize heat damage. This brush seals the cuticle and distributes heat evenly. I've personally seen fewer flyaways and smoother strands since I started using it. On days when I want loose curls, I roll the brush in and let it cool a bit. It holds volume better than my older round brush. One feature I love is the natural boar bristles. Most people don't realize that these bristles actually help spread the scalp's natural oils down the hair shaft. I noticed a boost in natural shine after just a few uses. I even skipped my usual serum because the brush smoothed my frizz on its own, especially useful when I'm rushing in the morning. The 1.7-inch round barrel is perfect for medium-length hair like mine. With the added bristle length, it totals 2.9 inches, making it ideal for adding bounce without tangling. The vented ceramic design speeds up drying. I actually timed it once, went from towel dried to styled in about 10 minutes, which used to take me closer to 20. According to a beauty article I read recently, brushes with ceramic vented barrels can reduce drying time by up to 50%, which totally aligns with my experience. The ergonomic handle is surprisingly helpful. It's non-slip, fits comfortably in my palm, and I don't feel wrist strain after longer sessions. Small details like this matter when you're styling several times a week. Lastly, I had a question about proper cleaning and reached out to their support team, got a response in less than 24 hours. That kind of follow-up makes me trust the brand even more. Plus, they offer easy returns if you're not satisfied, which gives peace of mind when buying online. If you're trying to get smoother, faster blowouts at home and want something that feels professional but easy to use, I definitely recommend the AIMIKE brush. It's been a noticeable upgrade for me, and I think it could be for you too.